In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call on Gmail, updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. You can do this by typing mail.google.com into your address bar. Once you've reached the Gmail login page, enter your email address and password to log into your account. If you're already logged in, you may be directed straight to your inbox. Once you're in your Gmail account, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. Beneath your main menu, which includes labels like Inbox, Starred, and Sent, you'll find a small icon that looks like a phone receiver. This is nestled within the sidebar alongside other familiar options. If you don't immediately see it, you can expand your sidebar by clicking on the hamburger menu icon in the top left. This action is useful if your sidebar is collapsed and you can't see all available options. Clicking on the phone icon will open the Google Voice interface right within Gmail. Now, if this is your first time using this feature, a pop-up might appear requesting access to your microphone. This is necessary for you to make calls using your computer or device. Be sure to grant permission by clicking Allow. This way, you'll be all set to use your microphone for the upcoming call. Next, once the Google Voice panel is open, you'll notice a dial pad interface. You can enter the number you wish to call using your keyboard or by clicking on the numbers on the screen. If the person you want to call is in your contacts, you can also type their name directly into the search bar on the dial pad, and the interface will suggest matching contacts as you type. This feature can save you time if you're calling frequently contacted friends or colleagues. After entering the phone number or selecting the contact, simply hit the call button, usually represented by a green phone icon on the keypad. Your call will connect and you should hear a ringing sound, just as you would with a regular phone call. During the call, you'll have access to various features such as muting your microphone or adjusting the call volume. Keep in mind that your call may be subject to standard rates depending on your Google Voice settings and the location you are dialing. Finally, when you're ready to end the call, look for the red phone icon, which typically means hang up. Clicking this will end the call. It's that simple. Making calls on Gmail is a convenient way to stay connected without picking up your phone, especially when you're already working within the Google ecosystem. I hope this guide was helpful and that you'll find it easy to make calls directly from Gmail. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your Google Workspace experience.